Sweet smile, the daughter of the Queen of Love, expressing all thy mother's powerful art, with which she wants to temper angry Jove, when all the gods he threats with thundering dart. Sweet is thy virtue as thyself sweet art, for when on me thou shinedst late in sadnesse, a melting pleasance ran through every part, and me revived with heart-robbing gladnesse. Whilst rapt with joy resembling heauenly madness, my soul was ravished quite as in a trance, and feeling thence no more her sorrow's sadness, fed on the fulnesse of that chearefull glance. More sweet than nectar or ambrosial meat seemed every bit which thenceforth I did eat.